I guess today I'm gonna explain about the A/B testing, how the A/B testing work, and I'm gonna share the examples. Before jumping into the presentation, I just wanted to share that we can determine the particular A/B testing belongs to which stage we supposed to do it. Like there will be five phases. The phase one is planning, scoping, and definition, where project parameters are explored and defined. Phase two exploration, synthesize, and design implication is characteristic by MSc research or design ethnography leading to implication for design. Phase 3 is the concept generation, early prototype iteration involving participatory and generative design activities. Phase 4 is evaluation, refinement, and production based on iterating, testing, and feedback. Phase 5 is launch and monitor the coordination and stretching of design to ensure readiness for market and public use, and ongoing review, analysis to course correct whenever necessary. So here the A/B testing is falls under the phase five, which is the launch and monitor. Uh, Using A/B testing to compare two version of same design to see which one performs statistically better against predetermined goal. A/B testing is an optimized technique that allows you to compare two different version of design to see which one gets you closer to your business objective. The tests are run by randomly assigning a different people known to the path. The A test and B test until the statistically relevant sample size is reached. At the end of the test, we will able to determine which design getting closer to your goals. So, take for instance the challenge of increasing the number of people who sign up for a free trial of your online services. There could be a many exploration why people are registering and sign up from too wrong, or people worried about their privacy or what will do with their data. Do you want to know about pricing information before they register? You can find out the answer to each of these questions by making a small modification to the interface and then run A/B testing to see which version prompt more people to register. For instance, given scenario, you can design or run similar tests that compare different treatment of the page macro copy the text that guides and measure the user regarding the terms of services, tone, length, font sizes, and this other factor, the form elements like how many layers which are required. That is different treatment of the button and call to action like page, placement, size, require, labeling. Even though there is a benefit to being able to measure which design generated better results, A/B testing is not help you understand why the designers prefer over the alternative. A/B testing is not a replacement for qualitative methods that can assess your customers' desire, attitude, and needs, nor can it recover larger problems like whether customers feel that they can't pass your side or that is credible. To the end, A/B testing should always supplement qualitative methods that help you gain a deeper understanding of what really motivates your customer, what they really want. It's like a behavior method adapter, and it's falling into qualitative and having said that, it's evaluate to method. Here you can see that A/B testing. That would be a case study which I'm gonna brought up here is the eBay case study. Experimentation with the A/B testing can inform various hypotheses on product descriptive directions. It is important to experiment all the time and not just accept certain past observation as always going true in the future. A set of experiments performed by eBay in 2010 and image size is a great example. Over the course of several tests, eBay researchers generally observed that their buyers have higher engagement. They can minimize the number of listings above the fold and minimize to the need to score a page narrator. Keep this hypothesis in mind. The goal of the image size A/B testing shown here sets out to prove that small images increase the a number of listing on the same page, so therefore would result in higher engagement. So finally, in the concluded, to the researchers' surprise, the smallest image size, the test B, did not perform as well as expected against the larger image size. After more investigation, for experiment, the researcher ran the reverse was actually acquiring that the bias demonstrated higher engagement of the larger image size even when fewer items were able to fit on the first page from the results. In this experiment, they quickly made the change to the larger images across the site.